that thing will go. Look how fast he's going. You got brakes on that?
The chassis is a Polaris Indy 650. It was an 88 slider suspension, and built this angle iron frame for it here, which goes around, and engine mounts in here. Engine mount was too soft, so we had to brace this up with some box steel. The engine is a 212cc Predator from Harbor Freight, and the clutch CVT is a Comet, Chinese copy of a Comet, and that's the 30 series. And it's just it's driving a 40 series chain, so I have a 10 tooth sprocket in here, driving a 28 here. And the chain case is the original chain case from the sled. It's 1.75 to 1. So the overall gearing works out to, I think it was a 4.8 or 4.9 to 1. Seems to have lots of power on the low end, and top end seems to be around 15 miles an hour, something like that. So it was a relatively straightforward build. Ended up locking out the suspension. So in the front here, there's a snubber loop. I just pushed the spring down and clamped the loop together to keep the front down. In the back, you probably can't see it because it's full of snow, but I put in some brackets here, and there's some eye bolts in here that replace the original springs, so it's not sprung at all in the back anymore. And we just welded up some bars. Bars are a little bit soft. I have to figure out some way to make it stiffer, because what I'm discovering is this thing needs, you kind of got to manhandle it because it's a little bit tippy, and it's sometimes hard to keep upright. And my brother-in-law Ron welded up this hitch for me here, so just a clevis and some angle iron and stuff. And it's a Pelican sled, and I bought a little throttle assembly here. It's like an ATV style throttle. It was like 10 or 15 bucks, I think, on Amazon. Kill switches from the original sled. So yeah, so still playing around with it, and but yeah, so far it works very, very well. I'm really pleased with it.